Ever feel like the wind outside is swirling your thoughts inside? That's Vata energy, and it can be chaos or pure magic. I'm Elisa Davis, and this is Ayurveda in real life, where we help you decode your doshas and your chakras so you can finally understand why you feel, think, and act the way you do, and how to stay balanced. This morning, I'm sitting outside. The wind is rushing through the trees, and I can feel all this movement inside me. I'm Vata dominant, and Vata loves days like this. Wind, space, and memories bubbling up from nowhere. People, places, moments I hadn't thought about in years. And here's the thing. For years, mornings like this used to make me anxious. Too much energy, too many thoughts spinning fast. But Ayurveda taught me something important. Vata isn't just chaos. When it's balanced, it's inspiration, creativity, and divine connection. It's the energy that carries ideas, intuition, and that feeling of being alive. So today, instead of letting the wind spin me out, I'm grounding my Vata, sipping warm coffee, breathing deeply, staying present in my body. Other Vata balancers, warm, nourishing foods, gentle yoga, and a cozy, simple routine. And if your mind ever feels like a windstorm, it might just be your Vata calling for balance and a little more tenderness. Because Vata can feel like a storm, or it can feel like freedom. It all depends on how you hold it and how you care for it. Follow for more ways to live in harmony with your dosha. And if you're ready to explore your own Ayurvedic blueprint, I'd be honored to guide you.